હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તો આપણે એક થોડો ચેલેન્જિંગ ક્વેશ્ચન કરીએ આજે રે ઓપ્ટિક્સનો. Two plane mirrors of length L are separated by distance L, and a man M2 is standing at distance L from the connecting line of mirror as shown in the figure. So this is mirror 1, this is mirror 2, and this is the line joining these two mirror, and perpendicular to that, and the person is standing over here at distance L. Then a man M1 is walking in a straight line over here. It is not in a straight line at a distance 2L parallel to the mirror. So mirror to 2L is the distance a person is moving with speed U is coming down. Then this M2 is looking that my person M1 will be able to see image of M1 for total time. તો આ પર્સનને આનું ઇમેજ આમાં જોવાનું છે મિરરમાં, તો કેટલો સમય દેખાશે એવો આપણો ક્વેશ્ચન છે. તો એને થોડું મોટી ફિગર આપણે મેં દોરીને તૈયાર રાખી છે, તમારો ટાઈમ બચે. સો વન પર્સન ઇઝ મૂવિંગ પેરેલલ ટુ ધીસ mirror, this mirror 1, mirror 2, right? So we have solved certain problems. If you remember, suppose a person is standing in a room and he is looking backward in the mirror placed in the front wall. આ ટાઈપના આપણે પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ કરેલા છે. અથવા what is the size of the mirror to see complete image of own, આ ટાઈપના આપણે પ્રશ્ન કરેલા છે. and this question is related with the field of view. એને શું કહેવાય છે? field of view. કેટલા સમય કેટલી જગ્યામાં એનું ઇમેજ દેખાય તે. તો અહીંયા આપણે જોઈએ, this is the upper part of the mirror, this is the lower part, વચ્ચે એટલો ગેપ છે, તો આટલામાં મિરર આપણને ઇમેજ દેખાવાનું છે, right? So suppose person is here, then this is incident ray and this is the reflected ray. So this position of the person M2 can see. તો એને આપણે એક્સપ્લેન કરશું તો આનું ઇમેજ ક્યાં બનશે? અહીંયા બનશે. So person now M2 can see this person M1 through this mirror M1 at this position. Then coming down, then this is the incident ray at the lower part. Incident ray at the lower part of the mirror 1, and this is reflected. So M2 can see position of this at this point. So from this point A to B, from A to B, M2 can see the image of M1 through mirror M1. Okay, once it comes over here, so this ray cannot be reflected, sorry. So there is this is the position, there is no mirror, so M2 cannot see the position of M1. ક્યાં સુધી? તો જ્યાં સુધી અહીંયા પહોંચે ત્યાં સુધી. When you reach here, again this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. So position of this is here, and going down, down, down up to here. Then this is the incident ray, lower part of the mirror 2, reflected ray. So position of this is here. So C to D. M2 can see the image of M1 from A to B and then C to D, but B to C he can't see. B to C he can't see. So if you find out what is BC, what is AB and what is CD, then you can calculate what is the time. તો અહીંયા જોઈએ આપણે, this is L, આટલું L આપેલું છે, અહીંયા સુધી બી L આપેલું છે, and from here to here it is 3L. તો આ જો આ L હોય તો કેટલું હોવું જોઈએ? 3L હોવું જોઈએ. Same thing, this is L, this is L, this is 3L, so we use this similarity of triangles, so this becomes also 3L. This is L, this is 3L, so this is also 3L. So total distance is actually 9L, but from B to C, M2 cannot see the image of M1, so we have to subtract. So total distance, what he can see, 3L plus 3L, so total becomes 6L, and velocity is u, and therefore time is equal to distance upon velocity. So distance is equal to 6L divided by u. So your correct option is C. Correct option is C. If this mirror is complete without any gap, then what will be your answer? So 3L, 3L and 3L, so to 9L. So then answer is DL by U. ધારો કે અપર પાર્ટ જ આપ્યો હતો, ઓનલી વન મિરર ઇઝ હિયર, તો આન્સર શું આવે? 3L by U. બરાબર છે? So this is very similar. So if you want to see the back wall, a person standing in the middle of the room, then size of the mirror is height divided by 3. તો એના જેવું જ આ થયું. So this is L. Okay, sorry. આ એના જેવો જ પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો. અહીંયા આગળ L હોય તો કેટલું હોય? 3L. Same thing. L, then this is 3L, this is L, this is 3L. તો એ ડાયરેક્ટ કોન્સેપ્ટ બી યુઝ કરી શકો જો તમને આ ના સમજમાં પડતું હોય, જો યાદ તરત આવી જતું હોય તો. અધરવાઇઝ ધીસ ઇઝ ધ રાઈટ મેથડ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.